everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use the Shipyard's library. Here we are going to create a simple ship, a cube actually, and we will see all the needed steps to make it work. On this first video we are going to set up our unit project and our visual code project. This tutorial assumes that you know the basics of modding authoroids and that you have already used Unity to an extent and that you know the C# language. Okay, so let's begin. First, you're going to need the authoroids mod template. The template can be found here on this GitHub repo. It has all the installation steps and even getting started on the authoroids mod loader docs. Okay, so assuming that you have already installed, just open Visual Studio, create a new project, proceed. I'm gonna call mine basic ship, but you can call yours anything. Here next, your author name, mine is Lokoshoku, and voila, everything is here. Our dependencies are game dependency and otherwise mod loader. But because we are using the Shipyard, Slate Shipyard, we also need to reference it. As you can see, it is not by default. So how we do this? Well, assuming that you have it installed in your mod manager, what you can do is go here in more, show in Explorer, and as you can see, you have the file here, DLL here. So copy the path, go back to here, go to dependencies, add reference, add reference, search again, paste the path, and here you go. I already had the path paste, so this is why it didn't change for me. So select Slate Shipyard, add, make sure it is checked, and OK. As you can see, it is here. And to just make sure, we can do a using Slate Shipyard, and I don't know, Slate Shipyard dot Slate Shipyard. As you can see, I can call all the neat things on it. Okay, so we know that it is working. Go back to the basic, to default one. Now that our visual code project is set up, we can go to our unit project. Let me close this. Okay, so like the visual code project, the unit project also has a template. Here, the other one is the unit template. To use this, it is very simple. Assuming that you have Git installed, go here, press copy to clone, go to your folder, open terminal, do git clone, paste the path, the URL, and wait. Now, as you can see, you have this folder, and if you open it, it is all the unit project. I usually rename it to unit, so it is easy to know what this is. Well, now that we have it, we need to open it. So go to your unit hub, press open, go to your project, select the unit, the folder, and it will open in a few seconds. Now you should have your unit project opened. As you can see, this template has many cool things. For example, it has the game like scripts. Of course, all of them are stripped out, so no actual coding here. This is useful because when we build the prefabs and export them to our mod, these empty scripts will become the actual game scripts when run in game. So it makes life easier to create stuff as if it was for the game. This template also has all the layers already set up for us, which will help a lot when we work with them. Well, this template has many cool things, but it is lacking one important thing for us, and it is the script to build asset bundles. As you might guess, if you know what asset bundles are, to load our custom ship, we need a way to have it exported from Unity. And the file format which we use to export it is the asset bundle. And as you can see by opening the editor, there is no asset bundle script because Unity doesn't have default ones, and this template also didn't come with one. Let's create our script. Go to editor, create C# script, name it anything you want. I'm going to name it build asset bundle. Press open, and here we have a visual code. The script we are going to copy is this one. We copy it here. As you can see, this script has a different name from build set bundle, so let's fix this and let's remove everything here. This will allow us to build the asset bundle, which are then going to be exported to this folder, the streaming assets. So close it, and after a while Unity will catch up, and voila. If you open tools now, you'll see that we have this script, the build asset bundles script. Alright, one last thing. As you might have saw from this script, it will export the files in this folder, the assets, streaming assets. And as you might have guessed, this project doesn't have the streaming assets folder. So go to create folder and call it streaming assets. Okay. Well, now everything is ready for us to create the project. Next time we are going to be creating the simplest object that can be spawned in Shipyard.